I've logged a lot of hours as a Navy nuclear electrical operator working with some of the most complex power systems on the planet. That same technical scrutiny is exactly what I've brought to the residential HVAC field for the last 17 years. As a technician and contractor, for over 2 decades, I've operated the HVAC for Beginners website with one goal: giving homeowners the straight talk they won't get from a sales brochure. Most people think that buying a specific brand name guarantees superior quality, but modern manufacturing often depends more on corporate parentage than a fancy logo. When we look at Thermal Zone and WeatherMaker, we're actually looking at the value siblings of two industry giants. Thermal Zone is a private label brand manufactured by Rheem, known for rugged engineering. WeatherMaker is a subsidiary brand produced by Carrier, the company that invented modern air conditioning. Often, these subsidiary brands use many of the same internal components as their flagship counterparts, but at a lower price point. Looking at our head-to-head in the basic tier, the first thing that jumps out is the cabinet protection. The Thermal Zone unit features heavy-duty louvered panels essential for protecting condenser coils from hail, rocks, or lawnmower debris. The WeatherMaker PA4SAN5 uses a simple wire grill that allows slightly better airflow but leaves the coil exposed to physical damage. In operation, the Thermal Zone is noticeably quieter at 69 decibels, while the WeatherMaker comes in louder at 74 decibels. On the efficiency front, both of these units are standard entry-level machines. The WeatherMaker PA4SAN5 carries a 15.2 SEER rating, while the Thermal Zone TZ14AY is slightly lower at 14.3 SEER. I tell my clients to think of these units like a basic light switch. They are either 100% on or 100% off. While the WeatherMaker has a slight edge in efficiency, the Thermal Zone's lower noise profile and better cabinet protection make it more robust for a standard installation. The 2026 pricing shows the subsidiary value play with the Thermal Zone costing about $5,950 installed and the WeatherMaker about $6,625. In this case, you are paying a premium for the WeatherMaker name, but getting less coil protection and a louder unit outside your window. Quick maintenance tip: keep your outdoor coils clean with a garden hose to ensure proper heat transfer and balanced head pressure. Both brands offer the industry standard 10-year parts and compressor coverage, but Thermal Zone includes a 5-year unit replacement warranty. That 5-year unit replacement means if the compressor fails in the first 5 years, they replace the whole outdoor unit. After running the numbers and looking at build quality, the winner of this matchup is the Thermal Zone TZ14AY. It offers better cabinet protection, quieter operation, a superior warranty, and is easier on your wallet in 2026. While WeatherMaker is a legendary name, in this basic tier fight, Thermal Zone is the smarter investment. Shop like a pro and make sure you're checking the real specs before you buy. You can use our full head-to-head tool over at HVAC for Beginners to compare any brands you're looking at.